for fuck's sake. She only did like one generic ass Scottish accent. I mean, can she not do like loads of different Scottish accents? I mean, for goodness sake. Like, there's like loads. I mean, she only knows like 50 accents. Like, why doesn't she know like 100? I mean, why has she not spent her whole life like learning all the different Scottish accents? Fucking hell. What a selfish bitch. She's just fucking stupid. I don't know. I mean, for goodness sake, I'm just doing my best. I mean, I don't know like every single Scottish accent. I need to actually come to Scotland. Why don't you invite me to come to Scotland so that I can learn how to do loads of different Scottish accents? I'd love that. I want to go to Glasgow and Edinburgh, Aberdeen. You know, I'd like to do a wee tour around so that I can get them all, if you know what I mean. That'd be good. Let's do that. Shall we do that? I'd like that. Come on, don't be so hard on me. I'm doing my best.